The Turkish Get Up. The Turkish Get Up is a great exercise to develop full body stability, awareness, balance, and strength. It is one of the best exercises to test the core strength and stability. Lying on your back with arm extended over the chest at setup. Raise the shoulders off the floor and come to seated position. Raise the hips and slide the opposite leg back into a lunge position. Rise to full hip and leg extension. Reverse the steps and reach into the initial position and start from the other side.